All right, we're heading to the lake for our first ride of 2024. Here we go.
Launched here, the tan launch. Look like a pirate right now. It is very windy. My legs are froze. God, that's horrible. It's like 76 degrees out, and I'd say the water temp feels more like 55. Bunch of leaves and sticks and things floating and letting this thing warm up before we take off. Thingy bob out here, but whew, it's a nice day. Thing looks really pretty. Trees are starting to turn green. Got a full tank of gas. Got a smile on my face. The sun is out. Oh, let's go. Alright, let's go. First ride of the season. Just sitting out here in the middle of the damn lake. The damn lake. Over there, cruising along. Woo! A tad bit brown. log. Another log right there. Gotta watch out for deadheads. Don't know what a deadhead is? That's like a big stump or a piece of a tree floating because the lake has been up, and you hit one of them and it's over with on one of these things. Your hole will be busted. Woo! See if my oil filter cap was leaking. Adam said that he thought I should check it. I mean, I felt back there, I couldn't feel anything. Can't really get to it for the plate underneath the seat. So it's very windy, very choppy, and we're going to try to go to the south end of the lake where the dam is and see if that side is any better. There's a lot of people over at the marina. The wind seems to have calmed down a little bit. The water's not as dingy looking over here. It's like really muddy looking back that way. So it's starting to get a little greener. that intake has really made this thing a lot more torqueier. Unless, you know, I got the beginning of the season, whatever you call it. Because I've not been on it in so long, I forgot what it felt like. But it definitely feels faster. We'll see if it goes any faster. I got it up to 62 a minute ago. So 1 mile per hour faster. I've never seen 62, so it's definitely running a lot better. I can tell a big difference on takeoff. This thing rips. Nailed a bug with the sunglasses. It hit and it was like pow. I gotta suck something up.
All right, crew. Well, we're back home after about an hour and a half. Seadoo ran really well with this cold air intake. Now the dash said 62, which I've never seen before. I've seen 60, 61, but the Relive app I was running it registered me at 69 miles per hour. I was having fun, and then all of a sudden I started getting a vibration and I shut her down, and anything over like 8 miles per hour it would just shake. There's a lot of debris in the water, and leaves, sticks, that sort of thing. Well, get home, crawled up underneath this thing. This is what was stuck in my propeller. You can see the little crease in it. So I limped it back to the launch area, got it out of the water, and we got it back here. I got a big long screwdriver, so I just touched it and it dropped out. If I'd known this, we would have still been on the water. But oh well, it is what it is. I saved gas. I only used 2 bars of fuel. It was so choppy and windy. If you stopped to set anywhere, the wind would just take you down downwind. It was really bad. But oh well. It'd just be really nice if there was some kind of system on them that kept crap like that out of the grates. Alright. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like the video if you liked it, and we'll see you next time.